So, in order to start with this hands-on, I have created a boilerplate using Create React app. And in this application, I have already installed my dependencies like Formic, Bootstrap, and Yup. Similarly, I have already added few of the CSS to maintain the UI of the whole application. Along with that, I have already included Bootstrap in my index.js file. So at this moment, this is the UI of the application, and you can see I have only added sign up form in the whole page with the background as blue. So in order to start with this hands-on, let me import few of the methods of Formic. So here I will be including Formic field form from Formic, right? So let me delete this sign up and start adding my form elements. For creating the form, Formic wants that all the form elements should be inside its Formic tag. So let's create a Formic tag first. And inside that Formic, there is a need to create form tag, right? And now we can actually start with our application. So let's create a legend with class name is equal to heading sign up using Formic and yep. So we can see the UI here. Now let me add few of the form elements for the form. So for here, I'm going to add my UI for first name and last name. You can see that first name and last name is here. And if I increase the size of my window, it is automatically being adjusted, right? And here you can see that I have used field tag. This is the tag provided by Formic for input elements. And here you can see that I have added type as text. Similarly for last name, type is text, but the name is last name. Let me fix this error, this typo error. Right. So let's add other form elements like email, password, and confirm password. It is going to be the same form where I'm using field tag with name email and type email. Similarly for password, I'm using field tag with placeholder password and type password, right? And in the right, you can directly see the current state of the application or current UI of the application. Now, let's add a select box for the job role. So here you can see I have used field, but I have also used another property as select. As I have already mentioned that field tag is only applicable for inputs. So in order to have other tags inside the field, we have a notation called as where I am also adding select. And I have given the name of job role. So you can now see the drop down in the UI. Now let's add gender field in this form. So you can see that gender is added, and here also I have used field with value as male or female with name as a common thing, that is gender. So now let's add about you section, which is called text area here, right? You can see that it has actually created the text area inside the gender. So let me cut it from here and actually paste it outside this form, right? And now let's add skills for this. So for skills, I have actually created a label, and then again I'm using the field element with type as checkbox and value as Node.js, similarly value as React, right? And name is going to be same here. So now in the UI you can see that skills, Node.js, React and Angular is present. Now the last thing that we need to add in our form is a button. And for that, what we can do is we can directly add a button with type as submit and text as sign up. So this is the whole sign up page ready to be worked on, and it is completely built using Bootstrap. So our basic groundwork is ready. Now what we have to do is we have to add state to this form using formic. As we are already using formic here, you can see that formic and form tag, but we have still not handled about the submit button. So in the next video, we are going to add some functionality for the submit button. Thank you.